Okay, in this session, first let me discuss what is column level constraints and table level constraints. So in the last video session, just we have discussed the types of constraints like integrity like primary key, foreign key, unique, not null, check. These constraints we have discussed in the last video session. So next we are in this video session, we are going to see what is column level constraint and what is table level constraints. So the constraints which we have been using so far are called as column level constraints. Column level constraints are a part of a table column definition. That means if you observe in the yesterday's table, so last class table, what happens here in the account table, I have given primary key for account ID. Okay, so that primary key especially it is applicable for single column, and it is that primary key definition is a part of column. And at the end of table definition also, that means after defining of all columns, so we can define some constants at the end of the table. That means after defining of all columns. So such type of column constants are called as table level constants. So especially table level constants are used for giving constants for more than one column. So in the last class I have discussed what the composite primary key. So composite primary key means it is a primary key which is a group of primary keys. So in the last video session we have discussed one example, that is a customer table, I think. So in the customer table, so we have discussed what? First name, last name and country. So these things we have discussed in the last video session. Now if you give primary key for this first name, last name, and the last I have given what? Surname also. Surname and a combination of these primary keys is called as what? Composite primary key. So such primary keys can be given by using table level constants. Okay. So once again I will repeat. Column level constants are suitable for single columns. Means as a part of column definition, we are going to specify constants. The constants which we have been discussing so far called as column level constants, like primary key for ID column and not null for name column and a check constant for account type. So those are column level constants. Okay, that means if you want to give constants for more than one column, we have to use table level. Table level is different, column level is different. Table level may contain more than one constant. Okay, primary key like composite primary keys can be given by using table level constants. So how to apply table level constants, I will show with one example. So now I will create a table level constant, create table customer, and within customer I will give first name, it is with some character 10, second name, it is also with character 10. Next surname is also with the 10 characters, and country, character. Now I will give table level constant like this. That means I have defined all the columns like first name is over, second name is over, surname is over, country is over. Okay, definition of all the columns are completed. So at the end of table definition, just you give constraint name, any key, any name, any user defined name you can give, like composite PK, composite primary key. So I want to give primary key for three columns, like first name, second name, surname. sorry, again a for name. Table created. Okay, so with 3 columns I have created one composite primary key. So in the primary key 3 columns are involved, 5 first name, second name and surname. Okay, like this we can create a composite primary key by using table level constants. So table level constant can be given at the end of the table definition. So it is not a part of column definition. At the end we have to give table constant, not only for composite primary key. So we can define table level constant for any single constant also. For any single constant also you can give table level constant. That is, especially table level constant can be used for giving constant for more than one column. That is optional. So for a single column also you can give table level constant. So this is a way I can give table level constants. Okay.